Hey guys, welcome to Life of Shop. So this video is going to be about the hack. And the hack is how I made my adjustable Lumi light. So what I'm showing you right here is just the LED rope light that I got from the outdoor section in Walmart. It is not a Christmas decoration, you guys. Then I'm showing you my wreath frame, and I'm also showing you the paper towel holder that I got from Walmart for $1.98 that makes all of this come together. It's pretty basic on how to make them. You can make them a million different ways. But we have figured out the hack, y'all. Look at this shit. Ring light with an adjustable stand. Look at this. So we're gonna turn it around so y'all can see. Okay guys, so there is a method to the madness here. You need 4 zip ties, no more, no less. The top is gonna be angled downward and the bottom is gonna be angled upward. And the trick about this is that it's set in between the sections in the wreath. So are you looking at how if you had the zip ties going side to side or up and down, it wouldn't grasp around the wreath the way it should to give it that tension to move up and down. So it has to be at an angle. Your zip tie is going to loop around this, and then it's going to be tight enough to sit there and hold by itself because the angle that it's wrapped around the wreath. So I really tried to explain that to the best of my abilities, but if you guys want me to make an entire video doing it from scratch, I promise I will. Just leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll make it happen. Y'all, it doesn't get any better than that. Like, what? So we're just testing the lights really fast to make sure they work. I forgot to plug them in before I originally started making this thing, so yeah. But he's just cutting slits into the wax paper because, you know, in some of these you wrap wax paper around the lights to soften them, and when you put the slits, it goes around the 2 rods in the paper towel holder. So it looks really good, you guys. It's completely dark in the whole room, no lights on. Look how good it looks. You guys, you don't have to do YouTube videos and stuff to make this. You need this for your makeup. You need this for your IG pictures. You need this like for anything and everything. But if you are a YouTuber and you have an adjustable camera stand, now having an adjustable Lumi light, the light's always in the right place. I'm telling you guys, it's awesome. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if there's anything that didn't make sense, just leave me some comments below. And I hope you check out my next video. If you have medium problem skin or you're just looking for an inexpensive skin overhaul, you'll definitely want to check it out. See you next time.